using the VEDAMO virtual classroom with Moodle version 3.0 as a student. If you're a student enrolled for a certain course, use the steps below to participate in a virtual session. Log into Moodle with your user account. From your dashboard, select the course you are enrolled in. Click on the VEDAMO Virtual Classroom button. Once the virtual classroom has been opened by the teacher, a green Join the Session button will appear. Click Enter in order to be redirected to the virtual classroom. Allow your microphone and audio devices when our system asks you to do so, and proceed with the next step of the system check.